Welcome back to another episode involving Pokemon Legends Arceus. Tonight we're going to draw Ursaluna. Rare fact about this, Ursaluna is the evolved form of ursaring. And to be honest, this is the first time I've ever seen ursaring have another form. And, well, I never realized it was possible. But, in which case, this case, I think Ursaluna is exactly my type of one of the favorites that I like from Pokemon Legends Arceus. Anyways, drawing Ursaluna is kind of easy. He's a little bit bulky, but you get the idea. There we go. Now we draw this part here. There we go. Yeah, just give me a sec. Just give me a minute. Anyways, I think Ursaluna is related to the cave bear, you know, from the Ice Age and from Prehistoric Park. I wish they brought him. I wish they brought this cave bear back to the original timeline. That way I would be able to see more of him in action. And see how they interact with society. And finished! That's how you draw Ursaluna. I'm proud you all got to see me draw this guy. Please like or rock and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. And stay tuned for more episodes from Pokemon Legends Arceus. Oh yeah, and there are several types of bears that are related to this guy. There's the black, the grizzly, the polar, the cave bear. And, well, wish I could tell you more about him. Except I don't have Alexa with me. I'll get Alexa back as soon as possible.